Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get a brown aesthetic video by using coloring in CapCut. So here you need to just so after you add your clip, you just need to go to filter, then click on live category and find the amber filter. Okay, this one, and set it into 50. Click on a check icon and then go to adjust, polish, and then adjust. Set the brightness, set the saturations into -15, exposure 8, sharpen 100, temperature 21, and then fade 12, and add some grain effect 22. Okay, after that you can just click on the check icon, then go to video effects, click on lens and find the soft effect. Okay, this one's right here. Adjust it into 28. Okay, then click on the check icon first and add another effect. Now add the edge glow effect and set it into around 9. Okay, you need to set the effect for all of your clips. I'm going to drag it first like this, then add a last effect. Now go to the TV category and select the 1998 effect. Adjust the filter into 25, then texture 0. Click on a check icon and now you are done. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the result. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.